discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 kilometers. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.